Okay, so today we'll be learning multiplication 2 by 1s. And so this would be the standard algorithm. And what you would do is you would get 42 and multiply it times 4. And the first rule is you go from the bottom up. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay. And then 4 times 4, now you go diagonal, and you would say it is 16. And the way you check it is with an algorithm. So you basically create a box, and the single digit that's on the bottom will be placed right here by himself. And because you have 2 digits on top, you are going to have 2 boxes. One of the boxes is for the value of the 4. The 4 has a value of 40. The 2 has a value of 2. So you're breaking apart the 40 and the 2, and you're placing it up here. All right, so now what you have to do is you're going to multiply, and you're going to stick your answers in these boxes. You are going to multiply the 40 times 4, and then you're going to multiply the 2 times 4. So you just multiply 40 times 4, but if you don't know how to do that, if you don't have that memorized, this is the trick. 4 times 4 is 16, and then the 0 that you ignored, move it down. So 40 times 4 is 160. So now it's time for 2 times 4. That equals 8. Okay. And now your products, because remember the answer to a multiplication is product. So you get the partial product here, the partial product here, and you add them. 160 plus 8. And 8 plus 0 is 8, 6 plus nothing is 6, 1 plus nothing is 1. And does it match? Yes, if it matches, that means you got everything correct. Okay, if it doesn't match, that means either this is wrong or this side's wrong. And you need to go check it. So really quick, a number sentence that is goes along with this. When you're looking at your algorithm, what is it that you did? If you were going to explain to someone what you did, you would say that you grabbed the 40 and that you multiplied it times 4, right? So here you would write 40, what did we do? 40 times 4, stick it in parentheses, plus, what was the second thing we did? Well, we multiplied the 2 times the 4. So 2 times 4 equals box, which equals answer. Now what exactly does this mean? Well, these are just the steps we took to solve this entire algorithm. Okay, so if I do 40 times 4, what was the answer? 160, right? Because that's our answer right there. What is 2 times 4? 8. Once you get everything out of the parentheses and you solve the parentheses, then you just bring the plus sign down, right, this one, and you say, well, 160 plus 8 equals 168, which is our answer. So basically, the STAR test will ask you, is the answer this? 2 times 4 equals box, right? Or they may try to trick you, and they may say, I don't know, 160 times 4, something ridiculous, just to confuse you. Okay, so you would know it's not this one. You're not going to do 160 times 4, right? That's the answer. So your answer would be A. And this is called a number sentence. And that's it.